Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Norfolk Southern's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Norfolk Southern has just released their Q1 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially given the weather-related challenges they faced this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Norfolk Southern reported a revenue of $3.0 billion for Q1 2025. John, how does this compare to last year?
While the revenue saw a slight decrease of $11 million compared to Q1 2024, it's important to note that excluding fuel surcharge revenue, the operating revenues actually increased by 2% to $2.8 billion. This was driven by a 1% growth in volume.
And what about profitability?
Adjusted income from railway operations was $961 million, up 6% from the adjusted Q1 2024. The operating ratio improved to 67.9%, showing a 200 basis point improvement from last year's adjusted figure. This indicates better cost management and operational efficiency.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Norfolk Southern reported an adjusted EPS of $2.69, slightly below the forecast of $2.72 from 9 analysts. How should investors interpret this?
Despite missing the forecast by a small margin, the adjusted EPS still represents an 8% growth compared to the previous year. This growth is commendable, especially considering the adverse weather conditions that impacted operations.
So would you say the market reaction is justified?
Yes, the market should view this positively. The resilience shown by Norfolk Southern in maintaining growth amidst challenges is a strong indicator of their operational strength.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Norfolk Southern's operating ratio improved significantly. What does this tell us about their operational efficiencies?
The improvement to a 67.9% operating ratio, even after adjusting for the Eastern Ohio incident, highlights their ability to manage costs effectively. This is a key metric for railroads, and Norfolk Southern's performance here is impressive.
And looking ahead, what can investors expect?
Norfolk Southern has reiterated its full-year guidance, which is a positive sign. CEO Mark George emphasized the team's resilience and the company's ability to gain customer confidence, which bodes well for future performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Norfolk Southern has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with notable improvements in profitability and operational efficiency. John, any final thoughts?
Norfolk Southern's ability to navigate challenges and still post growth is impressive. Their focus on operational efficiency and customer confidence positions them well for the future.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Norfolk Southern's performance in the comments below.